What is up, guys? Brittany here, back for another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install software update iOS 18.7.1. So let's get into the video. Go ahead and open up your settings, and if you see software update available at the top, you can select that, but if not, scroll down to general and select it, then software update and select that. And okay, let's wait for it to load. And as you can see, iOS 18.7.1 is there. My update is approximately 264.2 megabytes. Yours may differ a little bit, but it should be in that ballpark. Now, this update provides important security fixes and is recommended for all users. For more information, you can click that blue Apple support link or the Learn More button. And then you can read upon it. If there's not enough information right there, go to the Apple support link and you can find more info on the website. So let's go ahead and install this now and enter our passcode. Now, once you select that update now, it's going to request the update. Now, this can take anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes, and it's going to begin downloading the update. And once it finishes downloading, then it will install. But most of the time, you're going to have to select Update Now again after it downloads to begin the install. Now, if you have automatic updates selected, it will begin to do it itself. But once the download is complete, you select Install Now or Update Now, and then your phone will begin to reboot, and it will look like this. Okay, guys, so the software update was downloaded and it is now going through the install process, and it rebooted a couple times. Now, once it is finished installing, it will finish rebooting, and then the lock screen will appear and the update should be successful. So let's wait for that. All right, guys, so once it finishes, your lock screen will look like this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. The update was successful. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Listen.